Deltek Acumen 360 is the remedy for a delayed project plan. Let me explain. In the past, you may have seen the S1 to S5 schedule maturity framework. This model takes into account everything from project inception and baseline, through schedule diagnostics, through risk assessment, optimization, then communication and approval. A curious phenomenon occurs in S1 through S3. Often, the project team is expected to meet delivery timeframes that may seem unrealistic or challenging. Once the schedule is cleaned up and risk impacts are applied to the project, the expected finish date of the project can and often will move into the future. Discussion of risk can lead to an overall pessimism with project durations and timeframes. However, that's not the end of the line, and there may be areas of the schedule where small opportunities, when explored, can lead to big gains. Deltek Acumen 360 leans on a one-of-a-kind computational engine to produce significant potential gains in a project plan while making the fewest number of changes to the plan possible. Combined with easy-to-use duration calibration sliders, the project team can instantly review optimized and accelerated scenarios, tune them, and produce a schedule that everyone can manage to, while maintaining the project's required completion date. Let's talk about how it works. I have a schedule open here in the Deltek Acumen suite. It's a good schedule, but after the team fixed some of the problems and added risks to the plan, it no longer meets the required finish dates. Here in 360, I can tell the system the date that I need the plan to finish. Then, through a rules-based methodology, the system will determine what and where the schedule can be changed to support this date. As the system works, it's obsessed with one thing: making the fewest number of changes to get the most schedule recovery. Now, I said rules-based. You can review the existing rules and strategies in the project, modify them, and even create your own from scratch. Each time 360 is run, it will come back with the most optimal way to meet the finish date that your team needs to meet, whether it's the project finish date or an intermediate task or milestone date. In concert with the rules-based optimization, or separately, we can recalibrate durations in certain areas of the project using these sliders. This allows us to take into account technical complexity that's either higher or lower than expected, or areas where you may have more or fewer resources than originally planned. If areas of the schedule need to slow down, you can do that here too. Overall, 360 rounds out the suite of applications. It's super fast and automated, but it lets you and your team take control of a plan that might not be in line with customer expectations. Want to learn more? Here are some ways that you can get in touch with us and find out more about Deltek Acumen 360 and the entire suite.